Here are some pumpkin carving ideas. Using this 26-piece JUSTOTRY Halloween pumpkin carving set. Includes easy to use stainless steel cookie cutter stencils. Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Here's a printout example to create your very own Halloween pumpkin faces. This kit includes 23 cookie cutter designs and 3 tools that are easy to decorate with and is a fast, simple cleanup. After we share our project, we'll be showing a bunch of different designs that you can do from a pumpkin carving contest. Here are the tools that we'll be using to be doing our project, which is the large carving spoon, the hammer mallet, this perfed triangular shaped knife, and this larger size circle stencil. You can create over 1,000 different designs using this stencil kit. Back to our project, we'll be using this juice bag with the nozzle, along with this 2 crazy faces kit, and with Michelle's help on putting this project together. Here we're making sure the pumpkin is the right size so it can fit.
I can't believe it.
Next, we'll take the rubber mallet using the round stencil and we'll pound out the location for the juice bag spout. Note, hammering from the inside out gives the hole a rougher edge look versus you have a cleaner edge hole when you pound from the outside in. Here's our rough edge hole.
Yep. There you go. Oh my God.
Now we put in the juice bag and pull out the spout. Next, we'll put on the face accessories and we'll have created our very own juice pumpkin head. Now, let's go see some great ideas that you can do that are displayed at this Halloween pumpkin carving contest. But first, we'll look at Mr. Pumpkinhead without the juice spout. We used a perforated triangle knife that creates a unique design on cutting the top of the pumpkin. We use this perforated scooper spoon to cut the top off and scoop out the seeds. You can use the perforated tools that are in this kit to help draw out the areas before cutting. Now, let's look at all the results. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.